Presenting Butterfly EKN Electric Kettle in the color silver with black. The stainless steel electric kettle has a capacity of 1500 milliliters. It comes in two sizes of medium and large. The kettle comes with an ergonomically designed mouth, a smart light indicator and a control switch for convenient usage. With a cordless 360-degree swirl power base and a cool touch handle, this kettle offers a convenient grip. It offers fast boiling and has high-quality thermostat control. Inside the box, you will find a water kettle, a user manual and a warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.